Hi, welcome to Peter Evans Art. I'm Peter and this is...
Arie.
How old are you, mate?
7.
7. Today, what are we going to be drawing, buddy?
We're going to be drawing some turtles and dolphins.
Yeah, so we're going to draw a simple turtle and a dolphin. What one would you like to start with, buddy?
A turtle.
A turtle? Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll start with the turtle. If you hadn't noticed, we've got some brand new t-shirts. Check them out with that Peter Evans Art on them. Mm-hmm. Is that comfy?
Yeah.
Don't tell them that it's your mum's, okay? I'll have to get you a small one. All right, shall we get started? Mm-hmm. Alrighty-o. What are we going to need, Ari?
We're going to need a rubber and a pencil and a piece of paper.
Yep, any ordinary HB pencil and rubber and a piece of normal paper for this exercise. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
We're going to draw the turtle first. To draw the turtle, we're going to start with a simple circle shape. Now, start with a little light circle shape on your page. Can you do a light one? Yep, excellent. Then we're going to draw a really light oval shape that touches that circle, almost overlaps it a little bit. Okay, how you getting on there? Pretty good. Now see if you can do it all in one continuous line. Yeah, that's better. That will help. Yep, good start. Now, this turtle has been swimming around, but he's pretty happy. In the middle of the circle, we're going to draw a line that comes down and around like this to form the nose. Then I'm just going to go back over that part there. Okay, good, that's its mouth. Then we're going to draw up the top of its head a oval shape that's tall oval shape. And then I'm just going to put another little half an oval shape just there for the eye. And then the next part is an oval shape that I'm just keep going around with and a half an oval shape. So that's like the eyeball. It's looking straight ahead. I'm just going to go over my smile. How'd you go, mate?
Pretty good.
Yep, that's looking good. All right, now the shell part here. Are you ready for the shell part? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. The shell, we're going to draw the line along the bottom and then it comes up and around and then back. And keep this the same distance all the way to the back there like so, Ari. So, yep, start along there, come all the way along, keep it the same. Come around and then back up and then back up to the round of the head there. Good one. Now this is the tricky part. This shape up here. We've got to draw a straight line, another straight line so it matches, then come across, then go up on an angle and then go back. So we've got a 6. Okay, so the next part we've got to do is we've got to bring lines coming down from these corner parts. Bring them out. Whoops, my lead looks like it's just about to go on me. So I'm going to pick up a new pencil. Yep, HB. And then let's just go over those, the shell line to make that a bit heavier. So we've got a little head on the turtle and we've got a nice shell. What's our turtle missing?
Flippers.
Flippers. So we're going to come down and around up like so. There's the front flipper and we're just going to have the other one down the back. Then we're going to have a couple down the back here like so. 1, 2. And he's just cruising along through the water. This little turtle. Just going over some of my lines as well. There we go. There we have a simple little turtle looking pretty good. I've put a piece of paper underneath here because we're going to be using a Sharpie to go over our outlines. So if you've made any areas that you're not happy with, you can go over them now. So going over the eyeball, the eyes and the eyeball, and then we're going around the mouth My turtle's very happy. He's got like a happy line there. Down and around. Trying to trace over our lines. This is great for kids to go over their things. And the very last thing we're going to do is we're going to rub out the pencil lines. So just going to get a rubber, gently rub out the pencil lines.
Yeah.
All right, the very last step is to colour it in, and I'm going to choose a green, a light green, and I'm going to colour in the shell. Nice light green. Nice light green for the shell. I'm shading that in. I could use some darker areas where the lines are, just to make it look like it's rounded. And got a bit of shadow, press a bit harder around here. Okay, I'm going to use the same green for the head. I'm not going to colour in the eyes. We don't want green eyes. Yep, I have a sharpener just here. There you go.
Yeah.
Colouring in that in a bit darker around here. Put a bit of shading underneath the bottom of there, along the mouth, along the front. Gonna put a bit of shading, colouring and shading through here. Light green. Now I've coloured it all in one green. I might change up and add a darker green in a moment, just give it a bit more variety, because it's a little bit boring at the moment. Put a bit more shading underneath there. A bit darker in behind that one.
Using a different green.
Oh yeah? Awesome. You got the night. Oh no, there's a different dark green here that I'm going to use. So I'm going to put some of this dark green in here. So using a couple of different greens will make it look nice. And I'm just going to pop a bit of darker green through here. This is going to be a darker part of the green shell, just to provide a bit of interest. Shading that in. And then put a few darker green lines over the black lines. There we have our cool little turtle.